Welcome back to the Weather Centre, where we've had a sunny and hot start to the work week across the country. On our satellite, you'll see a few thundershowers swarming over the southern part of Limpopo in the afternoon, with cloud moving in over the central part of South Africa, and that's where we can expect thundershowers still on Monday night. Our satellite also shows a band of cloud representing the cold front, and that will move in overnight, bringing in the possibility of light rain in the southwest. Thundershowers are expected mainly over the central and northeastern part of South Africa on Monday night, with the cold front bringing in some morning showers in the southwest. We're also expecting it to bring in some rain along the southern Cape coastline, with a sunny and hot day over the central part of South Africa. We'll see some cloud remain along the eastern Cape coast, with a mostly sunny day over the far eastern part of South Africa, and we're expecting isolated thundershowers over the northeastern and northern interior. The South African Weather Service have issued an advisory, and that is for heatwave conditions which continue all the way through to Wednesday, with very hot weather expected over Gauteng and parts of the northwest. Here's our rainfall probability map for tonight, with isolated thundershowers extending through the southern and central part of South Africa, as well as into parts of Limpopo, with a 40% chance of light rain in the southwest. Our wind map shows a northwesterly wind ahead of that cold front in the southwest, with a northeasterly wind along the east coast. You'll see wind starting to turn to the west over the western half of South Africa as we head into Tuesday, with a southwesterly wind along the southern and southeastern coastline and strong winds in the forecast on Tuesday afternoon, but more of a northeasterly flow along the east coast. Things stay warm overnight, particularly over the eastern half of South Africa, with a minimum of around 20 degrees for Kimberley and Bloemfontein, as well as Bombela and Pietermaritzburg, 23 degrees along the east coast, 22 as we head into East London, with Johannesburg and Polokwane dropping to 17 degrees overnight, and Vredendal and George also expecting that same minimum temperature. You'll see that sizzling hot weather across South Africa on Tuesday afternoon, just shy of 40 in Kimberley, with many daytime highs heading into the mid-30s over the central and northeastern part of the country, 32 for Johannesburg as well as Bethlehem, 37 in Pietermaritzburg, and a high of 26 for Port Elizabeth, but quite a mild Tuesday for Cape Town and George, both at 23 degrees. On Wednesday, we're expecting thundershowers for the northwest, Gauteng as well as Mpumalanga, and thundershowers also extend through to the east coast. Sunny and hot as we head into the northern Cape, with some cloud over the southern part of the country. Sizzling hot as we head into Thursday for Uppington at a partly cloudy 43, but with thundershowers starting to move in over the central part of South Africa, as well as extending all the way through to the east coast, with a fine and hot day in the west. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.